Student, today we will learn the chapter Permutation Part 2. Student, in this chapter, before Part 2 you have to learn the chapter Part 1. Okay, in continuation I am doing some more questions on permutations. You have to first see the permutation part 1, then go to the permutation part 2. I have already described in the permutation part 1 so many formulas and one questions also. Now we will learn some more questions here. Okay students, if we have the letter A, B, C, D, E, F. Now the question is taking all letters find permutation. So we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 P 7 factorial 7. Okay student, now we can say vowel together. Vowels together. So we can say vowels are here A and E. So A, E can be fit in a box. A and E. Other letter B, C, D, F. B, C, D, F. So we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. And A, E are together. Okay students. So we can use here factorial 5 and AE can be interchanged by 2 ways. So we can write here 2. So total ways are factorial 5 into 2. And vowels never together. So we can write total ways minus vowel together. These questions you can do yourself because you have understand this better in the previous video. Okay students? Okay. Now I am telling you some different type of the questions. Now you can see here 4, 5, 6, 7 are 4 letter. 4 digits are here. Now using all digit. Using all digit, find number of ways or permutation. If using all digit, okay, if using all digit in this here, not repeating, then we can say here unit tens, 100, 1000 place can be by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 ways. Here is 24. Okay, repeating. Unit place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place can be filled by 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 ways. That is 4 to the power 4. That is 256. Okay. If you repeat these digits, using all digit. Right students? Second question. Using any 2 digit. So you can fill first not repeating, that is unit and tens. Units place filled by 4 ways and 10 place by 3 ways. Total ways are 12. Repeating. Unit place can be 4 ways and tens place by 4 ways. Total ways are 16. Are you understanding? Now next question. 0, 5, 6, 7. Find number of permutation. Taking all digit. Number 1, not repeating. Okay, so if you use 4p4, then all digits you have to use here and fill up the 4 place, that is the unit, tens, hundred place, unit, tens, hundred and thousand place. But if 0 is here, 0 on the thousand place, then you can understand this is not the 4 digit. So you have to minus this. 0 can be filled by 1 ways and other 3 by 3p3 ways. So total ways are 4p4 minus 1 into 3p3. Okay, students. That is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 minus 1 into 3 into 2 into 1. 24 minus 6, that is 18. Okay. This, if 0 is here on the thousand place, that cannot be count mathematically, that are the 4 digit number. Okay. Similarly, now repeating, then you can place unit, tens, hundred, thousand by 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. But repeating, you cannot use here 0. Okay, so you can left it. So you can here only 0. Since you cannot use 0. Okay, so we can say that the method only 3 into 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, you can calculate this. Three into 4 cube, that is equal to 192. Okay, students. So this is the examples of digit, repeating, non-repeating. If 0 is using, if 0 is not using. So this you should be understand better by this permutations. Okay, students. So I will take one more examples, more things, new things. Now, in number lock of 3 digit, how many ways you cannot open? How many ways cannot open? We know there are, we have seen a number lock of this type of this 3 digit type on this number lock. When in a sequence some number, let 4, 5, 6 is there, then it can be open. And on a circle there are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10 ways, 10 number. Okay, so lock can be open or not open. The total ways are total ways are 10 into 10 into 10, 1000 ways. 0 0 0 0 0 0 also a ways, and by one ways you can open. Okay, by one ways can be open. Which number you have found to open this lock? So what is the question ever? How many ways cannot open? So number of ways cannot open is 1000 minus 1 equal to 999. Similarly, you can do this type of the question for 4 cycle. Okay, here we are using a 0 0 0. If our 100 place is 0, that can be count, but in the previous question it cannot be count. That is the digit. Okay, but it is number lock. So you have to learn the understand the language of the questions, and using the permutations you can find out it. Okay students, now we can go through the next topic. Now here you can see here are 3 letters A, B, A. If you write, change it, A, B, A. If you change it, then what you find? Same thing. If A, B, A, you change this by this, you cannot find a different thing. So if 2 digits are same, then number of ways will be decreased. Okay, so how many ways, number of ways will be decreased? This we have to understand here. Okay, here are n different object. N different object. Let here are some P are same, and here Q are same. Then this, if you change this by factorial Q ways, that is only count 1 ways. If we change this by factorial P ways, then we can count only 1 ways. So this we have to left out. Okay, so what is our formula? If from n objects P are similar, Q are similar, rest n minus P minus Q are different. Okay, number of ways are taking all letters, all object. Condition is taking all objects, that is factorial n upon factorial P, factorial Q, and so on. Okay students, so using this we are question, find number of ways taking all letters from C A L C U T T A. Okay, so our question is, here are C A L C U T A. We can see here 2 similar, here are 2 similar, here are 2 several, and these are the rest are not similar. Number of ways taking all letters. What is our formula? Total words are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is the factorial 8. And these 2 are similar, and these 2 are similar, and these 2 are similar. So this way you can find total number of permutations. You can now solve this. Okay, so you can solve this. It is your work, right? So student, this way we can find out so many questions in this second part of permutations. I think you understand how we can do some questions of permutations. Okay students, on the factorial, adding, subtracting, and you can do some questions from your book. Okay, now in the next part I will be describe about the circular permutation. So go to the part 3. Okay, student.